What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you a project I've been working on for the last week or two, which is emergency power or backup power for with a DeWalt battery, a 20 volt DeWalt battery. And I'm going to run you through what I used, the materials I used, and just show you generally how this is built. This will run a mobile radio. It's a QYT 8900, one of the Chinese radios, a little bit cheaper, so this is built on a budget more budget friendly, and we're gonna see what it looks like inside. So let's take a look. First of all, let's hook up the battery so we can get everything running. So when you open it up, what we're gonna do, open it up. So everything is in here to run it except for the battery itself. This is the battery, 20 volts. You know, any 20 volt battery will do. This one is 5 amps, and I've been testing it the past couple days, seeing how long it lasts. Right now I've got my connections here for the battery. So this battery, so you will set it down inside the box here. So you set the battery down inside the box just like so. And I've got a zip tie in there to keep it secure, but I'm just gonna do it for showing for the video right now. I'm not gonna secure it. But then all you gotta do is plug in your battery, and I am in the process of actually 3D printing a bracket that will fit down over this battery, so I don't have to individually take the wires and connect them to the terminals every single time, because that can get old. So as you see, I marked my wires so I know which one they are, and for positive and negative. I don't know if you can see or not, but down here on the board, you can't really see it, there's a small switch. This is a DC to DC converter, and what it does is it takes your 20 volts and converts it down to 13.1 is about where I have this set. So, showing a side view here, I have some writing. This is for another kit, but I'm converting into this now, so that writing's just for something else. But this here, voltmeter, is 17.9 volts, which is what the battery is currently at. I decided to add this second voltmeter just so I could keep a closer eye on the 20 volt battery and see exactly where it's at. Because when you only look at the 13.1, because this battery is always above 13.1 volts when it's running, it doesn't really change, and I can't tell exactly where this battery is at. Now, there's some of these 20 volt batteries, they have a little measuring bar, you know, you can check how full it is, but I like to see it in the voltage as well. It just gives you more precise measurement, and I just kind of like that. This is where you connect your antenna, so you can connect it from the outside of the box. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, we're going to open this back up then. We connect our antenna. And so now you flip the switch on the DC converter. It's a buck converter. You buy it off Amazon. They're not that expensive. So we have our battery hooked up. This battery has about 1 bar left. So you know, right at about 18 volts, it has 1 bar. And when it's fully charged, it's right about 20.3 volts is what it was running. So right now we can power our radio on. We have our microphone already inside the box here. We can just plug our microphone in, and we're good to go. I have a short piece of coax here, of course, that runs the radio, and then to each side of the box, so I can connect it from the outside, and it's all ready to go. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you real quick. We're on medium power, which is about 10 watts. So I'm going to go ahead and key up a local repeater that we have here. KO4EYI, listening. So as you can see, that keyed up the repeater. The repeater is about 25 miles away, but I should be getting through decently well there with the antenna I've got put up. So that's basically it. That's not really, it's not really a complicated setup. That's pretty much it. All you're running is a 20 volt battery to a DC to DC converter to bring it down for the radio itself. I have a voltmeter that measures the voltage coming out of the converter. If something was to fail at the converter, I would be able to see that right away. Or if the voltage changed, hopefully I could catch it before a problem arose, but I don't know. That's just my theory. But I also just like to see the voltage there, so you know exactly what it's putting out. And of course the voltmeter for the actual battery, which will enable me to have a more precise measurement of what the battery's voltage is at, how much I have left. And I'm in the process of writing down how much time, you know, running at like 5 or 10 watts, or maybe full power, like 15 or 20 watts, how much time I have left to transmit with a certain voltage. So that's another reason I like the precise voltage. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all. It's pretty simple. It's kind of a low budget kit that I wanted to build. This is something that I can take and throw in the car and take along camping or whatever you want to do, and you just grab it and go. So it's pretty cool. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any ideas for videos you would like to see or any questions, please put them down below in the comments and I will try and do my best to answer them. Anyway, thank you guys. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.